just jumped right up there. Did you see him? Bouncy, bouncy? Yay, Gavin! How big is Gavin? So big! How big is Gavin? So big! So big! How big is Gavin? So big! So big!
Open your hands.
Okay, in just a moment. We're watching Gavin bounce and then we'll play ball.
No.
You come here, Gabby? Come here. Good job!
You're done now?
Okay, I'm done, honey.